What are the 5 elements? The 5 elements, there are 5. The first one is the fire, the earth, the metal, the water, and the wood. And then the cycle starts all over again. So there are 5. As you can see, these are different from the 4 elements of Western astrology. And why are they different? I'm going to tell you in a second here. So first of all, this is one of the basic Feng Shui theory. And it's not basic just for Feng Shui, but is actually basic to all the family of Chinese metaphysics, of ancient Chinese metaphysics. There also are the Qi, or the concept of life force energy that is in every human being and everything that exists in nature. The yin and yang, which is the opposite existing in nature, the duality of the physical universe, opposite that attracts. And then the 5 elements that represent the circle of energy that is never created nor destroys, but constantly transformed. All of these 3 together create the 8 triagrams that we also see in the I Ching. In the I Ching, we see them paired up in 2s. Those are hexagrams, but the basics are actually 3 lines, broken line and straight line, yin and yang, and each of them is associated with one of the 5 elements as well. So that gives you an idea how ancient the 5 elements really are, because if you think that the book of the I Ching was written about 3,500 years ago, century more, century less, I guess, that's quite old. The 5 elements was already there, so that is quite old, and is one of the foundation for everything else. So let's see, these are the 5 elements of nature. And it is referring to the 5 elements of nature. So when we talk about fire, we talk about the physical fire. When we talk about earth, we talk about the physical earth. When we talk about metal, we're talking about the physical metal. And when we talk about water, we talk about the physical water. And when we talk about wood, we talk about the physical wood of living plants. So we're not talking about picture of the element. We're not talking about symbols of the element. We're not talking about plastic, upholstery, leather. None of them belongs to the 5 elements. We're talking about the Qi of this physical element that exists in nature.